Hi there, my name's Nick. I've been an electrical contractor for about 5 years now. And what we're going to go over today is a couple of cool products from Teslong that helps my day-to-day business be more successful. So typically in electrical components, before they fail, a common characteristic is they get very hot right before they fail. So as you can see, the top right breaker is considerably hotter than the rest of the breakers in the panel. So that tells me one of two things. I have a loose connection at the breaker where the wiring meets the breaker, or I flat out just have a bad breaker. So let's try to troubleshoot this and see what's going on. Definitely seemed like we had a loose connection here, as I almost had a full quarter turn on this set screw. So let's see how that goes. Give it a few minutes and see if anything changes. So after we tighten down the set screw for about 10 to 15 minutes later, we can see the heat signature has gone away. So that tells us the loose wire connection is where the heat source was coming from. So thankfully, nothing's wrong with the breaker, just a loose wire connection.